How to fix the YouTube app icon is not showing on your Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your YouTube icon is missing from Android home screen or the app drawer, here is what should be done. First of all, check if your YouTube is installed. To do so, head over to Google Play Store. Then after search for YouTube. If you see a install button next to the YouTube app, that means the app was uninstalled and needs to be updated again. Likewise, re-add your YouTube icon to home screen. For this, swipe up to open the app drawer where all the apps are listed. You can go to the widgets as well. Then after, find the YouTube in the list, long press the icon and select Add to Home Screen. You can even drag it manually to get it on the home screen. Sometimes the issue could also be with the YouTube if it's disabled. For this, head over to the settings on your device and go to Apps and Notifications. Now from the apps, you will have to select or search for YouTube, and if you see Enable, tap to re-enable the app. Sometimes you might also have hidden the application. So for this, you'll have to long press the home screen, go to Hidden Apps and search which apps are hidden. Search for YouTube if it's listed there and unhide it. However, if nothing works, you might have to restart or factory reset the device. In order to do so, restart your phone and check if the icons return. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.